హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా గమనించారా మీ చిల్డ్రన్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఎలా నేర్చుకుంటున్నారు, నేర్చుకున్న కాన్సెప్ట్ని ఎంతగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోగలుగుతున్నారు, ఈ గుర్తుపెట్టుకున్న కాన్సెప్ట్ని ఎగ్జామ్లో ఎలా రిప్రజెంట్ చేయగలుగుతున్నారు గమనించారా? చాలా సర్వేస్ ఏం చెప్తున్నాయంటే కాన్సెప్ట్ విత్ పిక్చరైజేషన్ ఎక్కువ కాలం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోగలుగుతున్నారని, కాన్సెప్ట్ వితౌట్ పిక్చరైజేషన్ ఎక్కువ కాలం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోలేరు అని చెప్తున్నాయి. So what is the difference between concept with picturization and without picturization? Now we'll see a small topic in 10th class, image formation by lens. So this is the principal axis, this is the convex lens, this is the center of curvature C1, this is the focal point F1, this is focal point F2, center of curvature C2, right? Whenever the object is beyond C, ఎప్పుడైతే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ బియాండ్ C ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇమేజ్ ఫార్మేషన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? Whenever the object is beyond C, a ray passing through the head of the object, it goes to the focus, converges to focus, and another ray from the head of the object through the optic center of lens. Wherever these two rays intersect, where you get the image. What image? Inverted image. This is the concept without picturization, right? Now we'll see the concept with picturization. Then you understand the importance of concept with picturization.
One ray we have to consider passing through head of the object parallel to principal axis. So when you take parallel to principal axis and after passing through the lens, it converges to focus. That is one ray. And another ray we have to take through the head of the object passing through optic center of the lens. It goes undeviated. Wherever these two rays intersect, there we get the image. So we get here inverted image, and the other characteristics you can see clearly. What are they? The other characteristics are diminished, and it is between F and C.
Now we'll see the concept with picturization of maths and then biology.
Now let us consider the formation of quadratic equation. If we take an example, a girl has taken a square sheet. We don't know the side. We'll take it as
E as center and the distance greater than the midpoint of AC, that is same distance. Draw.
this one is 13 in number and this is also in 13 in number. So each shape is having 13 ka 15 by 17. This is opposite and this is hypotenuse. And cos A adjacent by hypotenuse 8 by 17.
Usually the heart is in the shape of a pear, okay, and you know your fist, right? Mostly the heart will be approximately in the size of your fist. So if my fist is of this size, so my heart will also be in the same manner of this size. Fine?
For the first time, we combine multiple technologies to make the concept easier. Our app also includes subjective videos, mock tests, notes, doubt sessions, and bilingual explanations also. So all these features are at just 1499 for this academic year. To learn with VGuru, join us, download our app in Play Store. Have a happy learning.